I'm at height right here. And look at that. What's that? It's all fishes. So let's go back onto the car and look for another grand view of this place. So I have to jump to like this. Okay, let's go back.
You know, in some places they take cow poop and they put it on the floor and make a floor of it.
Another beautiful spot. Look at this road, curvy road, and these rocks. And look at that. Look at the view of village right there. A little bit sweaty. I have undershirt and shirt on the top. Sun is okay, not that hot, but just humid. Look at those things. And let me show you other side. That side has different view. It's just on the curve. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. There are some cows grazing. Look at that. It's very different landscape. Just like California. And clouds. Look at the clouds. Let me show you another place. This is a place where you have to trek a little bit, like maybe 0.5. But this may be dangerous. Let me show you. This guy is going to go there and show. This guy is trying adventurous place. This is the place to go and look at this. It's quite at height. And I doubt it. We can go there. It's a little dangerous. He has not eaten for days. It's nobody's dog. Just living here. But it's a beautiful dog. You will find many dogs like that on the streets. Just surviving. People can give food to them. That we also gave him some food. These are the sitting like points, viewpoints that the government has created tourism. So people can come and stop here, enjoy the scenic view of this place, and cool breeze is blowing. We are at height, so not dealing with the heat and humid air in the city. This is just like 15 kilometers away from Jammu city. It's beautiful. At that height. We are at height. Look at that. These are all pine trees, and I'm going with the like front buttons open. Look at that. This is Jammu. on the way to Mansar. We are at height right now, and we are encountered by beautiful viewpoints. Look at that. That is the road, and this is the view. Beautiful view. Look at that. It's quite a height. Yeah. And there are roads down there. Some pine trees. That's our car. And these are sandstones. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos with others. Hit on like button, and I will keep bringing you such beautiful places wherever I go. Let's go to the next point. On the way, we are encountered by another lake. This is called Mansar Lake, and this lake is full of sea life. I'll show you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. It's all fishes. So many fishes, big fishes. Very big fishes. So fishing is not allowed in this water. These are sacred fishes, sacred water. So these are protected. These carpets. Let me show you close view of these fishes and turtles, big turtles. Oh. This is the close view. This is some experience. Maybe we can hold the fish. Maybe I can hold the fish. Look at that turtle. Ah, look at that turtle. Big turtle. Wow, big turtle.
golden one.
Can you hold the fish? Sasha, can you hold it?
Don't hold them.
They have open mouth, big mouth. Oh, look at that. Big mouth. Hey, give it in hand.
Oh my God.
Can you hold it in hand? Can you touch it? Oh.
Look at how much I have.
They're fighting. सीधा मुंह में ही जा रहा है. There's a boating. That's the lake.
Yes, careful with the turtles. They are approaching you.
Ah, this is big turtle. Big turtle.
काटेगा वो ले जाएगा वो काटता है कछुआ बहुत जोर से काटता है
Oh. Big turtle.
Well, we're not going to fish for it. And उसको क्या होगा तेरा नहीं यार अकेला है
डर गया ओ कुछ कर गया
एक और आया पीछे वो एक और आया एक थोड़ी है